But hello new world. So my name is Jack, and I'm a web developer of Denmark and a developer at DataNerds. Um, so today I'm going to show you the hosting service of DataNerds. So let's say you have a site. You have the site datanerds.uk. On the site you can see here that we have the string hello new world. So let's say I want to change this output of the site. I go to the site datanerds.uk, change code, dash change code. I will send you a custom link about it, so you have your own link. So you can see here now I'm inside the code with the code editor, Microsoft Visual Studio, that most programmers know. If I want to add something to it, I can add another string here, test, and I would save it like you know it on the IDE, Microsoft Visual Studio code, and I will click here save, and you can see now it's saved. And the really cool thing about this hosting service is that if you want to add also Python files, you can do that as well. You can upload a Python file, hello new world.py, and now I have uploaded a Python file, just like the studio code. Um, and this is for you who wants to learn to code, or want to do your own coding, or just need a website. So I'll put a link in the description for more information. And I wish you a good day and a goodbye.